Hi, Carl Anderson here with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Scout 177 Sport. This boat is equipped with a dark blue hull color. Magic tilt trailer is included. Got a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. That's standard. Swim platform to the port side with a reboarding step. We have the upgraded 90 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha. Equipped on the starboard side transom is a fiberglass wedge to mount a power pole. Got recessed cleats, non-skittle on the gunnels, rod holders flush mounted aft. We currently have the helm seat stowed away. That is included, along with a standard 72-core igloo cooler and tackle storage forward. You can see there's also storage areas beneath both sides of the cooler with a little netted area to keep things from sliding around. We have this boat equipped with a Fusion Bluetooth stereo that has 2 speakers aft and 2 speakers forward. Lots of casting space forward on the 177 Sport. Standard is a trolling motor plug. Got a lot of storage beneath this forward hatch. You got a seat forward of the console that's standard. Rod holders on either side. And a live well beneath this forward seat, also standard. Optional here is a stainless steel grab rail along with a windshield. This boat's also equipped with optional trim tabs, digital gauges from Yamaha, an adjustable tilt steering wheel with a steering knob, 12-volt plug for your devices, and 2 cup holders that are plumbed and drained, battery switch. Batteries are housed in this hatch beneath the console there. Stainless steel grab rail for extra support. This is a self-bailing cockpit. And that's a look at our Scout 177 Sport. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at marinemax.com, and always check out our store's Facebook page for new boat arrivals, the latest events, and the latest happenings with your local MarineMax store. Again, I'm Carl Anderson. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.